Well guys, 4.6 Savage here, and we're at Rose's first car meet. And as you can see, she looks kind of dingy compared to the other cars around here. But it's her first car show, so hopefully we get it up and running, and hopefully we get a lot of things done. I'll keep you updated. Either. This whole section here has no popped hoods.
Victoria's Secret models look normal next to this thing.
Why?
Because they're so fucking thin and the apple's so small.
Is that a boat?
Yeah. Okay, I need new intake. I probably gotta clean this intake out. Need new intake. I'm gonna take this out, replace the gaskets, and then I'm gonna paint this red to match the car.
Take this here, loop this straight here, put your pipe in. I got a piece of pipe that'll curve right here.
You have piping for it?
Not for this, but I do have some intake piping left when I built my own.
How long is it? Because I could honestly cut it and weld it. If it's aluminum, I'd have to go somewhere else for it.
It's powder coated aluminum. But yeah, you could definitely get yourself into it. Good. Stick it straight up.
Could stick it straight out of the hood?
Only problem you got to do is figure out how to mount that, because that's your math.
Honestly, I don't know. I've seen a bunch of videos of people doing that. That's a big problem for me, honestly.
Man, 3 inches from a terrible day.
I know, you are very close. And that would be a lot of money. So your insurance would not pay for all that.
So what are we thinking? 13 seconds in the 8th?
Honestly, I don't know.
Faster in your truck?
I would say, you know what's cheaper than this? The bullet that I'm about to put in my head.
That's still expensive. I've been trying for years. the car overwhelmed that.
He said, man, I've been trying my BB gun.
Is a PI.
BB gun? I got a Nerf gun. I can't even afford that, man. As I get hit on YouTube standards for... So what do you got, the V8 or the V6?
Huh?
V8 or V6? I was about to say, are you really going to try to open your hood?
Yeah, without popping it.
Don't feel bad, I have to pop mine with a screwdriver. Not on the Mustang, but on her Cougar. Her Cougar is so bad.
Want to look at everything stock in my vehicle?
Might as well.
All stock.
What?
See, there's literally nothing special. Literally nothing special. It's all stock.
Hey, sometimes stock's better. Trust me, there's some things I wish I would have kept stock. Like, you know, torque converters, not hitching that Roadrunner at all. You know, not trying to shame Roadrunner at all. Nope.
I just need a little more about
3 converters, 3 transmission pumps. Not trying to pass blame. Come on, Bradley. Still messing with it a little bit?
Yeah. It's running just a little bit too low. Like, I died at like 2 intersections.
That's how I was feeling with that. I had to keep my foot on the gas, and then
Yours shouldn't die. You have an automatic.
yeah.
When are you going to change that?
I fixed that. Shit, that's a built automatic in that. Built by me. Hey, the 4R70 is one of the best automatics you could get for these cars.
5 speed all day.
Hey, I would love to, but you know, I can't afford. Yeah. What I had an issue with is what my plan was is originally I was going to go Tremec 6-speed.
Yep.
I know that doesn't look like it should be a diesel at all. But I was going to go Tremec 6-speed with, I was going to go 456 out of the 410s I got now, plus a stage 2 clutch with hydraulic slave cylinder, because these are reason I won't go to stick in this is I don't have hydraulic clutch. You know, my girlfriend's Cougar is a daily 5-speed, you know, and I learned off of that car, and you know it's a pain in the ass, but I don't know how to shift. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how to performance drive a
That's
5-speed.
I learned more in my wife's ST than anything else. That thing
Yeah.
shifts and gets an ending gear.
Yeah, that's because that bumper's not meant to be fitted like that. But do what you have to do. Yeah, but with hers, what I keep doing is you rev it up. You're first. You're revving it up. You get about 5,000-6,000. You go to shift into second. Refuses to go into second.
Something wrong with your transmission. Wait. What's your RPM range?
Rev limiter set at 7. But it'll do it all in all other gears. Like I'd rev third all the way out to 5th and 6th. Hey, but I know she's got a bad clutch in it. Because
That might be the reason.
I'm going to be doing an aluminum flywheel on that one. Plus a stage 1 clutch with new slave cylinder.
I got a brand new clutch in this thing because it's a second gen. Well, that's just a horrible